Hey guys, breakfast Sonance here, back to our video. So in this video we're gonna continue with the Slap House Start to Finish series. So in the previous episode we made a breakdown. In this one we're gonna focus more on the build up and the drop. So what we got so far sounds like this. So let's straight dive into the build up. So for the build up, we're gonna sustain the last note of the breakdown. So just copy over the A. Just like this. Same for the layer. Then copy over the vocal. So then just cut out the last bit of the vocal. Just around here. Then we're gonna add a build loop from the Lit Sounds pack. So let's open up the pack, go to the builds. So let's try this one. Fit it to tempo. And check how it sounds. Yeah, that's dope. So now we're gonna add some more risers. We're gonna use this pack for it. There were a lot of good risers in this one, so let's drag them in. Just like this. Just a short one. I think we're gonna add an impact as well. A bit too loud, so lower on the volume. And just another riser. So just cut it. And let it fade in. And lower the volume of course, because it's a bit too loud right now. Yeah, that's dope for the build up right now. We need to mix it later on, but we're just gonna focus on the idea right now. So now we're gonna dive into the drums of the drop. So normally in Slap House, you start off with a kick, then a clap, and then the full drum loop. So we already have the drum loop from the breakdown. So let's copy over the claps and the full drum loop. So just like this. Same for the string sounds and the crowd ambience. So then we need to find a kick. So let's go back to the Lit Sounds pack. Close the kicks. I think I'm gonna go for this one. So just make a simple kick rhythm with it. Just like this. So now we have the structure for the drums. So then it's time to focus on the bass of the drop. So first we're gonna copy over the chords to a new Serum. And then just select the bass from the pack. I think this one will work, so then just paste the bass sound, the notes of the breakdown. So I think we're gonna go for the double bass sound like this. So just shape the rhythm. Just like this. Then we're gonna do the same for the second part, but with a variation from the E to the G. Just like this. So let's see how it sounds right now with the drums. First, let's do a quick mixing. So the camel crusher distortion works really well on those kind of bass sounds. We're gonna use the Better Clean. This really opens up the bass sounds. We say that we're gonna throw a little muster on it just to give a better perception of how the end result should sound. So now we're gonna check bass sounds. Yeah, that's dope, but I could use some more work, so let's continue working on the sounds. So I think we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna remove the vocal from the build-up and place it over to the drop. Just like this. Because I really like it when the vocal is playing in the first part of the drop, and then you just take it over with the lead sound in the second part of the drop. So we're gonna make the second part 8 bars longer. And we're gonna add a lead on it later on. So just make a pattern so we don't forget it. Just like this. We're gonna duck the limiter a little bit. So then we're just gonna add a sidechain to the vocal. Automate it so it's only enabled in drop, because we don't want to sidechain it in a breakdown. So let's see how it sounds. By the way, of course, I'm gonna fill the build up with a vocal, but then just cut out some bits and loop it. So we're gonna do that later on. First, let's check how it sounds right now. Just drop the lead in here. First, we're gonna add some more variations to the bass sounds, like those reverse bass sounds. I really like those sounds. So let's see how it sounds. nice. So we're gonna keep it like this right now. Then we're gonna add a brass step. It's quite common in this genre as well. So we're gonna select one from the pack. I think this one could work. Fit it to the tempo. It's in D right now. It needs to be in A, so it's 5 notes down. And then 2 and 3 notes up, so make it unique. I think I'm gonna put this one up an octave. Just like this. And we're gonna add a G to it. And the last note. Just like this. Then we're gonna mix it. So write them out to the same channel. So just make sure to cut out the lows. They're already quite processed, so we're not gonna do much else to it right now, so yeah, that's dope. So first we're gonna work some more on the build up. We need to loop the vocal. So I think I'm gonna use this last bit of vocal. Then just loop it. So make it unique. Yeah, that's dope. I think that could work. We need to pitch it up. I think so. We're gonna use AutoBoy for that. Create our pitch automation. And just let it pitch up for an octave. Just check how it sounds. I'm not really convinced by it, so. I think we need to outline the format instead of the regular pitch, so let's see whether we're gonna pitch it up or down. So that's pitched up. Now we're gonna check how it sounds when it's pitched down. Yeah, I think pitching down gives a little bit more energy. So we're gonna leave like this. Then the only thing that's left to do, I think, is create an end of smell animation. So and of course a low cut animation till around here. So copy the value, create animation clip. Do the same for the end of smell. Just like this. I think we're gonna add a reverse correction to it as well, to the drop. Yeah, that's a little bit smoother, so do the same to the second part of the drop. Yeah, that's dope. I think that's a really cool idea for the drops, so that's it for this episode. If you liked the video, please leave a like and see more at the subscribe button. In the next episode, we're gonna work more on the drop, make the lead sound. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next episode.